Hello everyone, good day, and the topic that we will discuss is HLA hard rule of a recognition. But before we go on that, let us have a brief overview on legal positivism. There are certain points where legal positivism is being compared to natural law theory. We know for the fact that there are two natural law theories about two different things. Is a natural law theory of morality, and this is refers to what is right and what is wrong. While on the other hand, there is a natural law theory of positive law on what is legal and illegal. The two theories are independent of each other, and it's perfectly consistent to accept one but reject the other. Legal positivism claims that is false. Legal positivism and the natural law theory of positive law are rival views about what is law and what its relation to justice and morality. And today we will be discussing legal positivism. Whether a certain rule is a law, creating legal obligations to comply with, it all depends on its source. Valid laws are simply rules that comes to a certain people. If it's way back before, we are being ruled by the kings, but today these laws are created through our government. Like, for example, on a local government, we have our city councils. And on the other hand, we have our national lawmakers. In accordance with certain procedures that the society enforces, a rule can be genuine, valid law even though it is grossly unjust. But according to HLA Hart, a contemporary legal positivist, the essence of legal positivism is the separation thesis. But we need to ask, what is separation thesis? Separation thesis, having a legal right to do, doesn't entail having a moral right to do it, and vice versa. Or having a legal obligation to do something doesn't entail having moral right to do it, and also vice versa. And having legal justification to do something doesn't entail having a moral justification, and vice versa. Because in order to know what your legal rights are, you need to look what at what laws your society has. In order to know what your moral rights are, you need to figure out what is the true meaning of morality. You might have legal rights that the true morality says you shouldn't have, like for example, the right to own slaves, and your society might deny you legal rights that the true morality says you should have. Like for example, right to be free, to own one's body and labor power. But we always remember, and some of the most influential defenders of legal positivism are the 19th century philosophers, which is John Austin and Jeremy Bentham. And the 20th century legal philosopher that we will be talking for today, which is H.L.A. Hart. And okay, that is for our briefing. Let us now go to our part 2. And thank you so much for listening to me. Let us welcome the next person who will show his biography. Again, thank you so much.